Hello guys, welcome back. Now, whether you are monetized or not yet monetized, the last thing you would like to see on your video when you upload it on your channel is to see your video being ineligible for monetization or having a copyright restriction just because of a copyright claim from a copyright owner. So recently, YouTube introduced a new tool in the YouTube Studio that will enable you to remove a copyright song without tampering with your own voice or any dialogue that is taking place within that segment of the video. So this is very helpful because the option that was available before now was the option of anywhere the copyright music is being played in your video, you can only cut that place out or replace it with another song. And in some cases, if you have a dialogue or a speech within that segment, it will be cut out as well, and it may give the whole video a total different meaning. But now we have the option of removing the copyright music and still maintain the conversation in the video or the background sound. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in your YouTube Studio. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your content page in your YouTube Studio. So like here, you can see that this particular video has a copyright issue. So if I click on it, so this video is ineligible for monetization and it has a copyright restriction. So what I will do is to click on this place and then click on review issues. So in this review issues, it will give me an overview of what is actually wrong with the video. So you can see this particular area that is whitish in the play area. You can see that this is the area that the copyright music was played in the video. Title of the copyright audio is Ogechi by Brown Joel. So for me to act on this audio, I have to click on it, and the option that is available, I have to take this action. Either I erase the song, trim out the segment, or dispute it. So the dispute is if I have the copyright, I can claim or dispute this copyright claim. Then if I want to cut that particular part away, I'll use the trim out segment. But this trim out segment is not suitable in some cases. What about if it is a place you are having a conversation with someone in your video and a copyright music was playing in the background? That might alter the whole meaning of the whole video. So this erase new song is a very perfect feature. So this erase, if I click on it, it will give me an option for me to preview. So now I would like to preview this area that the copyright music was played. So I will drag the playhead to that section and then I'll play it so that you can hear it. Okay, let me play. So you can see. So you can see that the voice is still there, but the copyright music, which is Ogechi, cannot be heard. But the background noise and the conversation is still there. So all I have to do is to click save. So what this will do is that this process might take a while. After your video has been edited, we will update any viewing or monetization restriction. So what this means is that after YouTube has removed the copyright ID song by editing it, it will now update the viewing and monetization restriction on it and put it back to normal. So I will click erase song. It's now processing, and if you check here, you see that it says video editing in progress. After the process has been completed, the monetization and the copyright restriction will be lifted, and the video will be back to normal. That is how to remove a copyright music from your video without removing your voice or the speech made within that segment of the video. And YouTube said that they're still working to improve upon this tool. So let me know in the comment section if this tool will be helpful to you, and if you have already used it before, what is your experience like please share it with the community in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and also subscribe if you haven't. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.